In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening AI Gallery app. Now tap on Photos or Albums at the bottom, and after finding all of your pictures to get rid of, hold one of them. Then use those icons at the top right corners to select multiple. If you want to keep some, tap on them, and to delete the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!